Hello! Are you looking for a way to automate your event registration and management? With Formaloo, you can create your online registration form, customize your event budget tracking app, build planning quotes, and automatically send post-event surveys to your attendees with no code required, all in one place. First, let's go to our template gallery. This is where you can find the ready-to-use templates, which you can easily edit to fit your particular needs. To add a template to your workspace, click Edit this template. Let's add this registration form where you can customize it to your particular needs. Like for example, limit your form responses according to your desired number of participants. And this budget tracker app to track your event budget and expenses, organize vendors, invoices, assign tasks, and control your team access. Nice! Your templates are now available in your dashboard home. This registration form has multiple steps that are all customizable to your wants and needs. It also contains a success message at the end, which your respondents will see once they finish the form. You can even add a link to your success message to redirect respondents to another page or form after completing the form. Enable partial submissions to view the unfinished responses of people who start answering the poll, answer a few of your questions, and leave. Use these insights to improve your projects and conversion rates. Use incomplete responses to gain more insight into your users. Once you've customized your form, you can start customizing to make it yours from the Design tab. Here's where you can choose to show all of the questions on the same page or each question separately. You can also shuffle the order of the questions or the order of the options inside the fields. Change the theme and colors of your quiz, add a background image, or even customize the text on the buttons and messages. Finally, you can give your potential customers the option to purchase the recommended products right away. First, use the product field to make your quiz shoppable. Then, connect your quiz to your payment methods, like Stripe, PayPal, or Square. When you're ready to publish your form, you can add it to your website as an iframe, script, widget, or chatbot. Don't worry though, you don't need to understand programming to make it work. Just copy the code that Formaloo gives you and paste it into your website, and it starts to work right away. Then build an app to categorize and organize your collected data. Easily create a Kanban board categorized by the status of your leads, documents, and directories. In this Kanban board, you can create different tasks and assign them to different team members. Drag and drop your cards to a different section once a task has been finished and can be moved to the next step. Every new response on your survey will automatically show up in your pipeline, and you can easily add documents to each board. And the status is an admin-only field that is only visible to the admins, and your survey takers won't know about it. Every new response on your form will automatically show up in your CRM pipeline, and your sales team can follow up on them right away. You will also get immediate insights into the responses through charts and visualizations. Just add a new page to your app and choose Charts or Advanced Charts. Advanced Charts help you compare fields and build custom visualizations on your data. You don't need to be a data expert to get insights from your data anymore. And that's it! From here you can start sharing forms, documents, tasks, and start working together seamlessly, all whilst being remote. With Formaloo surveys, the things that you can achieve are endless. This is a tool that will make you want to do more for your customers, whether it's building forms and polls from scratch or tracking their responses to keep in touch with your customers in a better way. Say goodbye to all this unorganized duplicate data in multiple applications and say hello to Formaloo. Happy Formalooing!